here it is. You ready?
So ready.
You ready?
Like a turkey that already had the thing popped.
So today we're gonna be doing something fun, but we gotta go into Walmart and get something first. So that's what we're doing.
That's a whole lot of somethings. We gotta get something to get our something.
Got it.
Got it.
All right. What's this? That boy in there. Do this sticker through there.
You literally have a sticker. Keep going.
There we go. And then put the pin through. There we go. Now let's go to the next location. There's what we're after. That trailer. Gonna have to clear it off.
What do you mean clear it off?
It's all snow.
Do you have to do a pin thing or something?
I don't know. Oh, it's flat right here. Alright, here it is.
Da da da!
Latch this. Alright, cool. There it is. Now, supposedly, make sure the engine button's pulled up, which it is. Let's just get it. Key on. Pull it. Snowmobile rider, but he can't ride anymore. So he was selling his sled, so we decided to buy it. So we bought it off him, and he took really good care of it. It looks like it's in like extremely good condition. So we bought it off him with the trailer, and luckily we have trails right behind our house, snowmobile trails, so we'll be able to ride it and put good use to it. So pretty awesome. All right, so we got the trailer all hooked up and ready to rumble. Let me make sure he didn't put any chocks under the wheels. No, that would be bad. Pull out and there's like a block under the wheel. Yeah, I plugged the lights in, they work, so that's good. Yep. All right, cool. Let's get this thing home. Probably not quite enough snow for this. I wonder if we can make a path through the woods to get it to the trail.
Yeah, but there's
You know what I mean?
too many trees. We would have to cut it like
Yeah.
spring or something. It's too late now.
You like it? Sorry, grass. Didn't mean to tear you up.
Yeah, that's my grass.
Careful, it's pretty fast and touchy.
Where's my helmet?
I don't know, where is it?
I don't even know how to work it.
Yeah, you had it.
Why isn't it going?
Give it a little more. You gotta turn. It's tough. There's not a lot of snow, so it doesn't turn well.
No, I don't want to drive because when I find out how messed up my yard is, I want to just blame solely you.
Okay.
Want to see something? It's a bird's nest. And another one. And the egg that didn't make it.
So that was fun, huh? You like it?
Yeah. I like it more when there's more snow and
I
less
know.
yard.
We need a little more snow than this, but it's all right.
Next time it snows.
Yep.
And
Goes good though.
We have to get your other one too.
Yeah. It's pretty sweet. I like it. Fun, fun. Hopefully we get some more snow this winter and we can drive this thing to the store.
I'm sorry, what did you just say?
Hopefully
we get
well,
more snow.
you know.
I guess now we have something to do when it does snow.
Yes, we do.
Other than sip cocoa. Where's the cup holder on this thing?
There's no cup holder.
That's it, return it.
No cup holders.
How could my dad give me something without a cup holder? Just kidding, Dad, I love you.
Christmas parade. Hear all the sirens?
It's a Christmas parade. I don't know if they'll come this way. You think they will?
They probably will. They'll probably come back.
Do you like my shoes?
Those are mine.
They were yours, and then we got married, and then they became ours.
I'm really cold right now. I'm in a t-shirt. It's cold outside.
Baby, you want gloves?
No.
They're coming
I didn't know they were doing this tonight.
Me neither.
Yeah.
But I remember being younger and
We're just like sitting in our house. All of a sudden we hear like a bunch of sirens and we're like, what the heck is going on? And we're like, oh, it's a Christmas parade.
after there was like the accident on the highway
Yeah.
the other day.
They're coming back. They're coming back. We gotta tell them to blow their horns. Yeah. They did it.
They got my back, but they go by my dad's house too.
Yeah.
When I was little, we'd go.
They're like, oh, you're trying to sleep? Nah, we're gonna blow the sirens right in your front yard.
Kiwi doesn't like this idea. She's like, Mom, get in here.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Turn, turn, turn. Yeah. They're coming down. Yay! Yay! Let's go! Santa Claus! Yeah! Santa!
You see?
Hi, everybody.
So you think
Blow the horn! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah!
Yay, it's Christmas!
That was cool. All right, guys, that's gonna pretty much do it for this video here today. a little bit different of a video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a lot of fun. And hope you guys all have a very Merry Christmas. And
Look at what you did to my yard.
I know, it's not bad. A lot of the snow melted now. Can't ride it anymore. But go have fun with your families. Don't work too much. We're not going to be doing too much work for the next few days. So, yeah.
You told me to take pictures.
No, I didn't. What are you doing, buddy?
This is the CEO of Thrift Mine.
Oh, good boy.
He's obviously just watching. He's an undercover boss right now. Just as a cat.
He's a good boy.
He's going to the vet soon.
Alright guys, have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye, you crazy little dreamers. I hope you get everything you ever wanted for Christmas this year.
Yay! Bye!